You guys would not believe how much I got this for. Let's go. Noise. Oh shoot, we can come out the different same. What? What? Hey yo, word. Hey yo, word. You guys, I ain't even going cap. This is like the steal of the century, and like, bro. That's actually insane. There's a lot of stuff in here I did not realize there. Oh, there's even there's just flipping medals. What the fudge? Yo, this is actually sick. Yo, I have a steal of the century. Yo, it even comes with its own mat. Bro, what? Alright, let's open this up. I hate when it does that, it's stupid. Alright, that's fine. We'll release all the cards out. I'm assuming it's like a starter deck, so let's go ahead. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh. Let's go ahead and do that. Have that. Okay, Pokemon Go. Oh, okay, the lure module. Okay. That's not the Pokemon. Okay, that's fine. The Go edition. And not that either. Does it necessarily have to say Pokemon Go? I don't think it does it? Because I would assume it would. Okay. Okay. Gosh, I really wanted to get my stand. I have it, just don't have the little extra thing to hold it on. Okay, I got an incubator, got a lower module again. Ooh, I actually got a Pokemon finally. Let's see, I would assume at least it would have all the normal Pokemon Go things, like Pokemon Go, you know, cards. It does have a few, which it's not a lot. It's okay, but for the price, I guess it sounds reasonable. But this is not the actual retail price. This was like a cheaper one, because I can see why nobody wanted to get it, because it's not the best. So I guess for like, I'm assuming the starter deck is not actually gonna be great. Probably when battling, yes, but like, or not great, but it's gonna be playable because, you know, it's starter deck. Of course, people can correct me. This is what it seems and it appears to be, so, you know. Alright, let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm assuming, hopefully, I get something good out of this. That, I've never seen that before. Another lower module. Oh no, wait, is that the... Correct me if I'm wrong, isn't that a legendary? I got freaking... What in the name of... Yo, okay, we got another one. Alright. Why is that not a... Okay. Ooh, we got another one. Let's go. About time. Let's go. Okay. Starting to like this deck a bit more, because actually it seems like it has more. It's a lot stronger than Mewtwo. I feel like Mewtwo is more like intellectual based or something. And that's, ooh, okay. That's okay. The HP looks so alright, because I have a card that has a higher HP. Okay. I got another one. Okay, that's not bad. Okay. This looks pretty nice. Okay. How in the world that's 140, but not the... You know what? I'm not even gonna question that. Pokemon does. So it's not bad. Okay, that's actually not bad. Holy shoot. Okay, that's all right. What it appears to be, this is like more of a tougher deck, you know. All right, the cards you've been waiting for. It sucks. It only came with 2. I can see why this was like cheap. Well, anywho, I wish I would at least 3 or 4 maybe, but with 2, that's, come on, that's just, that ain't right, bro. And at this point, Pokemon is just playing with y'all, like, and they even played with me, trying to have like, oh shoot, you know, guess what? We just only gonna do a little bit of money. I'm like, bro, well, not a little bit of stuff for like a lot of money. Like, bro, come on. Okay, I opened it. All right. I'm gonna take that out. I actually keep the code things for my cousin because I actually gave him like 3 whole decks of them, like a lot of them. So yeah, I have to get 1, 2, 3. Bro, that's literally the one I just got. Are you serious? Okay, that one I don't have. Okay, alright. Buddy Bolt. Alright, I see. I like the artwork. This one's alright. This looks cute. It looks cute. Let's go. Let's fudge. No. No way. Oh my gosh. Oh, flip. Oh, flip. Oh my gosh. No way I just pulled that. Isn't that higher than the... Hold on. It's a 220. So, wait, this goes from... No, wait. What is it? Is it Mute? Bro, that's from the Mewtwo V, so it can be a V. I actually got the... No freaking way. I got the other one out. Alright, let's see. Alright, I'm trying so hard not to look. Alright, that's alright. Alright, I like the Charmeleon. Gyarados. Spinark. Wimpod. Aw, that's actually cute. I like that. Alright. Oh. Bulbasaur. No way. I actually have this Pokemon, but shiny. No way. Let's go. Okay, that's nice. Okay, this was actually not bad. This was really good. Because I actually pulled this. That's incredible. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, because that was awesome, bro. I didn't know I would actually pull a freaking Mewtwo V-Star. Holy shoot. I'm gonna see how much this costs. I'm pretty sure it costs a lot. Alright, I hope you guys take care. God bless. Oh wait. Actually, hold on. I forgot about this. Let's see what I get out of this. Alright, let's see, I got that. I got a rare candy. Let's go. Another rare candy. You already saw I have Professor Research. The goat. Oh, I got another one. Okay, I got another one. Oh, okay. Boss orders. Okay, and I got another one. Oh, okay. Weird. And I think, yeah, that's about it. I guess that's alright. Anything else, like, I have this, but I don't think it actually has anything. I could be wrong, but that's all I see. So literally out of that little pack, it was just literally these. Yeah, it's literally that. So, I would rate, I would low-key rate this. Let's see, this was like $20. This was like, I think they lowered the price. So if anything, I think for that, even for that price, it's okay. I feel like I feel like I could have got some other things better, but that's actually all right. That's like 8 out of 10. That's like borderline good. Oh, so there's this. Thought it looks pretty cool. And for the, I mean, I feel like they did come with a lot of stuff, so I think it's actually pretty. Yeah, like 8.5 actually, because I had a lot of stuff, so I'm not gonna be too, you know, picky about it. So yeah, this is actually not bad. I felt like if they were sold more like this for like $20, this would be hands down probably one of the like best like decks out there. Of course, being a deck, but yeah, I thought this was actually really nice. Well, I hope you guys take care. God bless. Love y'all.